Listen up. Here is something that'll really hit home. The most valuable skill you can develop isn't about making a ton of cash. It's all about sharpening your mind. Seriously, a sharp mind? It's a total game changer. It helps you solve problems quicker, spot opportunities that others totally miss, and gives you an edge in life that's hard to beat. Picture this. Two folks get laid off from the same job. One freaks out, complains, and blames everyone around. The other, he takes a deep breath, analyzes what's going on, and finds a way to snag a better job in just a few weeks. Same situation, totally different outcomes, all thanks to mindset. That's the magic of sharp thinking. So if you want to think clearer, make better choices, and really sharpen that mental edge, stick with me till the end. And hey, if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can catch more awesome videos like this. Your brain is like a muscle. If you don't work it out, it gets weak. But if you do, it gets stronger every single day. Sharp thinking is what sets apart those who just drift through life from those who truly dominate it. Think about Elon Musk. He didn't build rockets just because he was born with some extra brain power. Nope. He sharpened his mind by constantly learning, questioning everything, and tackling problems head on. You can do that too. Most people just take things at face value. But sharp thinkers, they dig deeper. They ask, why? How? What if? For instance, you might hear someone say, investing is risky. A sharp mind jumps in with, risky compared to what? Keeping cash in a bank that loses value to inflation? When you train yourself to ask better questions, you unlock way better answers. Your mind reflects what you feed it. If you're spending 5 hours a day on TikTok drama, don't expect to think clearly. But if you dive into books, listen to insightful podcasts, and hang out with smart folks, your brain adapts and grows. Think of it like a diet. Junk food in, junk body out. Junk content in, junk thoughts out. So choose wisely what you feed your brain. A mental model is just a handy tool for thinking. Take first principles thinking, for example. It's all about breaking problems down to their core truths. Let's say you want to start a business but think, it's too expensive. First principles thinking asks, what do I really need? Do I need an office? Or can I just get by with a laptop and internet? Suddenly, what seemed impossible starts to feel possible. Sharpening your mind is all about collecting these models and practicing them. A sharp mind isn't scattered. It's laser-focused. The way to train that focus is super simple. Get rid of distractions. Put your phone away when you're working. Try deep work in 25-minute bursts. Even meditation can help sharpen your clarity by teaching you to notice your thoughts instead of getting lost in them. Sharpness comes from pressure. Just like muscles need weights, your brain needs challenges. Try learning something new, solving puzzles, or jotting down your thoughts every day. Even little exercises, like explaining a tricky topic in simple terms, help your mind cut through the clutter. For example, can you explain inflation to a 10-year-old? If you can, your understanding is sharp. The sharpest thinkers aren't perfect. They're learners. They reflect on their mistakes and adapt quickly. After making a big decision, ask yourself, what worked? What didn't? What can I do better next time? That's how you evolve into a sharper version of yourself every single day. Here's the truth. A sharp mind doesn't just happen overnight. It's built step by step by questioning, learning, focusing, and pushing yourself. And the more you practice, the stronger it gets. Next time you face a problem, don't panic. See it as a workout for your brain. Think of it like hitting the gym. You don't just lift weights once and expect to be ripped, right? You keep going back, adding more weight, pushing yourself further. That's how you build muscle. And the same goes for your brain. Let's break it down a bit more. Imagine you refaced with a tough decision. Maybe it's about a job offer or a big move. Instead of just jumping in or stressing out, take a moment to dissect it. What are the pros and cons? What's the worst that could happen? What's the best? This kind of analysis is where sharp thinking shines. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes along the way. Every misstep is a chance to learn something new. Just like athletes watch game footage to improve, you can reflect on your experiences to get better. What strategies worked? What didn't? This process of reflection is crucial for growth. And don't forget about the power of community. Surround yourself with people who challenge you and inspire you to think differently. Whether it's friends, mentors, or online groups, engaging with others can help you sharpen your perspective. Share ideas, debate topics, and learn from each other. Here's a fun challenge for you. Try to learn something new every week. It could be a new skill, a hobby, or even just a fun fact. This not only keeps your brain engaged, but also opens up new avenues for thinking. Who knows? That new skill might lead you to a fresh opportunity or a creative solution to a problem you've been facing. And lastly, remember to celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Each time you tackle a challenge or learn something new, give yourself a pat on the back. This positive reinforcement will motivate you to keep pushing your mental limits. If this video sparked even one idea to sharpen your thinking, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights to level up your life. I'll catch you in the next video.